U Menteri Rangba Kajala U Konrad ki Sangma Ulakentui ki Deputy Commissioner Bat Katanat Pulen Kamtam ki Badan Hagitan Kaput Bat Assam Bakin Long ki ba peitngor Bat Perking Kenang ban Kangla Dika Jingwan Rung ki Poiwir Shaka Jala Namar ka jingkhynra ka Sorkar Assam ki Nong Buhay Shnong Bean Naki Jaka Sorkar Ya kani U Menteri Rangba Ulapan Pau Haka Jingalang Perkat Kam Kabala Shong Kerki Haka Arpusau Trik Jemang Haka Jingalan Lang U Chief Secretary DGP ki Deputy Commissioner barki officer na kitanat beper namar ka jingsngo kya baka ni ka jingkhynra ka Sorkar Assam kala ban lam sha ka jingwan rung kertap jong ki digi mynder sha ka ni ka jela ngila penlong ya ka jingalang bishar benia ya ka jinglong jingman barki jingkta na ki jingkhynra ka barang yai beteng da ka Sorkar Assam bat ngila penmi ya ka jing Bthah ki badan kam panlong ki ba peitngor bat husyar kamtam ha ki thain kaput barka Assam namar ki ba marjan bar ki tu ki jaka balajia ka ni ka jingkhynra ong U Menteri Rangba hadin ka jingalang bante la kam ya ka ni ka jingma na ka ni ka jingwan rung ki ni ki briu ki ba nabar la shimru ya ka senjam ban pen klan ya ka jinga trilang hapadeng ki bor penyai district katanat pulen village defense parties VDP bat ki nong sensyar shnong ka Sorkar kala beteng banyakren barki Deputy Commissioner ban pentikna baki DC kin pelong ka jingakren barki BDO kumju barki thanat pulen ki VDP hagishnong beper ki seng beper barki nong sensyar shnong ban pentikna bakanam dan ka jingyo rung jong ki beriu ki basyak kendang na Assam syakani ka jela ong U Konrad U Menteri Rangba U pentikna ru bahaduk menta kampat syamla dan kanu kunu jingjia kabayadai baka jingwan rung jong kini gibriu ki basyak kendang na Assam bat barok ki kenhuan ki badan benta kila teri borba ban khanglat yakani Ula ong ru ki don katu ka ni ki district ki badan jingma khamtam kitu ki badan markhap bat kitu ki jaka ka Assam ki bangat ha ka jingsyak kendang bat kumtaru ngila phai khmat kerpang khamtam sya kini ki district Kila jingtip bakampat dan satya ka no kuno jingjia wanrung tu jongki brio ha ka no kuno district bat barok ki bor penyat district ki pulet VDP ki dor bashnong kli nong sensyar shnong seng bhalang kelay trelang ban pentikna ba ki no kuno jingjia baki yo jingtip ya ka jingwan rung jongki brio na Assam kin pentip mardor shengi khnang bang yin shim mardor ki senjam ki badan kam ulaong
Today we had a meeting along with the Chief Secretary, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary Home, and officials from the political department, and the Deputy Commissioners of different districts of our state. The purpose of this meeting was to discuss the overall effect of the recent eviction drive that has been taking place in the state of Assam. And based on that, the government has been continuously engaging with the Deputy Commissioners to ensure that the Deputy Commissioners further engage with the block level, the BDO officials, as well as the thanas, the police personnels, the VDPs in different villages, different NGOs, and different traditional heads. And all this communication and overall interaction is being done to ensure that there is no infiltration or movement that takes place because of the eviction that is taking place in Assam into our state of Meghalaya. There are certain vulnerable districts, especially bordering Assam and closer to the areas where the eviction drive in Assam is going on. Hence, special attention is being given in those districts. And we had, as I said, a review meeting today where all the officials involved were present, and we have been reported and informed that no incident has taken place in any of the districts, and that all the district administration, the police, the VDPs, the different village level committees, the different traditional heads, the different NGOs, all are being coordinated with to ensure that any information that we receive on any movement or any individuals coming in will be informed immediately to us and appropriate action will be taken. So a review took place today for that at my level, and we have given necessary instructions to be on alert, especially in the border areas, especially the ones that are bordering Assam, and especially the ones that are bordering the areas where the eviction drive is taking place.